If you're looking to give your Windows 11 setup a sleek and modern look, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you a super simple way to make your taskbar completely transparent. Let's dive right in. First, let's try the built-in option in Windows 11. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. Then, go to Colors in the left-hand menu. Make sure transparency effects are turned on. For a more advanced transparent effect, we'll use a free tool called Translucent. Open the Microsoft Store and search for TranslucentTB. Click Install and launch the app. Now, you've got a stunning glass-like taskbar that looks amazing. And that's it. You've transformed your Windows 11 taskbar into a sleek, transparent masterpiece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome Windows tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.